This is the fully trimmed rear door pocket for the Jaguar S Type and 420 models. We sell the materials to recover these pockets as part of the front and rear door pocket kits. However, for an extra cost, we can supply you with brand new moulded plastic pockets themselves to replace your old and probably falling apart original ones, and for an additional cost on top of that, we can actually trim them up for you. This customer has asked us to trim them up on brand new ones using a smooth style leather. So let's go over this to give you a bit of a background to it. I've actually got said customer's original panel. So this is in a French blue colour, as you can see. So it's all the original stuff here. It's not bad condition, but the customer, he was going for full leather, absolutely everything in the car, so he figured why not get a brand new moulded panel. So as you can see, this is how this one looks in here. It's got the metalwork in there for the ashtray brackets, I believe it is, the original Rexin material, the sort of plasticky backing as original. So just do a comparison then. So this is obviously like for like, so it's a moulded panel. As you can see, we glue and staple rounds to get the best finish. What we actually do here is leave a bit of a flap as well to allow you to fit the the ashtray brackets up inside there if you so please. Obviously a lot of people don't in this day and age, but that allows you to, so you can just literally pull that out there. But fully trimmed all the way around in leather. Bit of a tough job, I must say. So it's not exactly the same sort of finish. You can see here we've had to do a bit of a fold pleat on the lower edge there, but it's nice and neat. It's as neat as you're going to be. Obviously with a thick material like leather, it's hard to get a perfect finish on there, due to the fact we don't have sort of a vacuum machine sort of sucking it all round like they would have done in the original factory. So a pair of those, obviously fully trimmed up, like I say, sold outside the scope of the normal front and rear door panel kits. But the materials are included in that kit should you wish to want to try and retrim your old ones yourself, or if you just want to display the moulded plastics and have a go at it yourself, whatever suits you, or let us do the hard work for you.